What's up, fam? How are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming. If it's your second time or third time, just know that I really do appreciate you. Yes. So today my day started very early in the morning. My birthday was yesterday, and today when I woke up, of course I went for breakfast and started like planning for my 2021, which is something that I usually do whenever I travel. Like I just get to write down my vision, my dreams, like anything that I feel like I need to achieve in the next year. That aside, why we are here is because I want to go to GBR. I've never been to GBR. Like since I came here, I've never been to the beach, and I'm going to use metro train for the first time. So I have my map with me. I was given yesterday this map. This is what I'm going to use to get to GBR, and I have quite a number of things. I'm going to pack like a water bottle. Let me just show you. My things are here, and they didn't come with a bigger bag like for going to the beach and all that. So I was advised by the guy at the pool area that I need a towel, which is a good thing. So I have a towel. This is from the hotel. He told me not to carry my towel, so I was like, okay, thank you. So I'll return it when I come back. And then of course inside here I have my lotion, sunscreen, and any other thing that I might need.
All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them?
I might meet with a friend there. I hope she will agree to meet you guys. If not, too bad, but I'm going to bring you along. I understand that I'm supposed to connect the train from metro train to another one. I don't know, but I will see when we get there.
That's cool. From the middle of Dubai.
So I'm meeting Muhammad who wants to join YouTube. I hope you will, by the way. And just let me know when you start. And yes, can you sing?
No, I'm very bad at
So you can't sing for me happy birthday?
Okay. Happy birthday to Christine, la la la. Happy birthday for Christine, la la la.
You know, it's so funny how you randomly just meet people on the street and then you start talking to them. And this is what happens when you travel alone. Because when you're alone, I mean, you'll definitely talk to strangers. And this is what happened with Muhammad. And now I am trying this scooter for the first time. I've never done it before. I've never been on scooter before. So, but it's so interesting. Like, it's just fun to do this. Yeah.
Choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again?
Then I can buy the card.
Okay, 25.
Will it be loaded? Or do I need
Yes,
to?
yes. It's enough to go and come back also. Because they will deduct only 5 dirham. It has 19 dirham balance.
Okay, alright.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so where do I go to? This
This
side?
way. You need to tap your card here, then you go up.
Okay, thank you. One of the richest side in Dubai. Like, this place is just amazing. Everything is beautiful. Like, I feel like taking pictures everywhere. Guess what, good people, I made it to McDonald's. I'm in McDonald's of GBR. Yes, and guess who I met? I'm with Brenda. Hi, how are you people? Yes, I used to dance with Brenda, by the way, in ICC back in the days, and she's living here now. She's not part of us Kenyans anymore. But anyway, we are here. I'm here for the first time and we're going to try out this McDonald's thing. So I need to register from my phone. First of all, to use the Wi-Fi for me to be able to access their menu and select from online because they have some offers. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do right now.
I'm at a very beautiful place. What's the name of this street? The Walk. I'm at a place called The Walk. You've heard that from Brenda. And there's Mr. Oh sorry, not Mr. Price. There's KFC, there's Pizza Hut, there's Burger King. We are from McDonald's. Yes guys, at least I made it to McDonald's. It's not a big deal to some people, but it is to me because we don't have McDonald's in Kenya. So yeah. We are having this walk with Brenda before we get to the beach. Yep. Guys, someone just buy me a house in Dubai because renting is too expensive. The cars in this city are something. If it's not a taxi, what you see is a real car, like a real machine, not just cars. So amazing. Anyway, I need pictures.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up.
Guys, can you see the eye behind us? There, wait. There, that one, that's where I am going. Yes, that's where we are going with Brenda. Hi. Brenda will say so many highs in this video. Yeah, so anyway, let's go to the beach.
And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding.
Everything is beautiful, clean, like everything is clean here.
We're going to, this is the market right here, beach market. So if you want to go and buy something before you go to the beach, you can come here. I'm just going to ask these bags how much they're going for. I know we have such in Kenya. Oh, even perfumes, guys, bags, these ones. Where are they? I think they have prices. Beautiful bags, like this one. I would love to get that.
The zero runs deep on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding.
We made it to the beach. Good people. And it's so clean. There are seats right there. If you want to sit, you can go there. But I think they're going for 100 dirham, which I feel it's quite pricey. So yeah, and the sun is going down. I don't know if you can see, but I'm sure you can see. The eye is right there. Like, do you see behind me the way the buildings are so beautiful? There's a market right there. Then there are those beautiful apartments for different people living, and but they cost a lot of money, so you have to really have good money for you to stay there. We're still trying to find a place to sit, but I think we'll find very soon. I can't wait to sit down, have my lunch, which is late lunch, and then leave later, but we're going to stay here until late. Yep. It's time to feast our McDonald's fries. So unhealthy food, but it's a holiday.
Yeah, it's junk.
Yes,
Dubai.
so junk. There's a lot of junk in Dubai.
Yeah.
You can choose to go to the gym and work out when you're in Dubai, or just eat, or swimming, or I don't know. But swimming here is for free, and this is one of the free things you can do in Dubai. Come, set up your towel, your blanket for picnic, like we are doing right now.
Yeah.
You do this, you set up like this, and then you can just enjoy the beautiful view that you see, the beach, and eat. And then there's the sunset.
Alone inside a crowd, 'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know what I should go on. Don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know
we go to Dubai Mall.
Dubai Mall.
Yes, we finally made it to Dubai Mall, and this is one of the biggest mall like I've ever seen in my entire life. It's so big that every time I come here I just get tired of even going anywhere. So like I just walk around, and then within a few minutes I'm like, you know what, let me just get inside the supermarket, buy some food, and then go back to the hotel.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now.
So good people, I'm back home. I am so tired. It was amazing seeing Brenda. I think I haven't seen her for like over 2 years now, and it was amazing. Like we ended up just chatting, like we had our mini picnic next to the beach, which was amazing, and I really did enjoy our time, like my time with her. It was also amazing using the train for the first time. That's metro train. And can you imagine, guys, when I got to the first station, I asked someone like, is this the place where I can board for going to, is it Damak Properties? Do you know, those guys didn't even answer me. They were just staring. So I think the language barrier, like they could not understand what I was telling them. So when the train came, they just walked in, and then they're just looking at me like this. So I just remained outside there standing, because I didn't want to get into a train without knowing where I'm going. So I was like, let me just stand here and hope to get someone else to just tell me like if this is the right place to be. So yeah, so someone else came in, and then people were so sweet. Like even when I got to the other place where I was connecting, because I connected train, I went with metro, then it got to a point where I got into, it's called tram. Yeah, so I got into, it's a smaller train. So I got inside it, and then I was connecting. So when I was connecting, of course, you have to walk from one place to another. So I also approached someone else who was very helpful as well. So people in Dubai are so friendly, but if they don't understand what you're speaking, they just make you look like you're a fool or something. So so yeah, that was my experience for today. Anyway, guys, you can hear from my voice, I'm so tired. I need to take a quick shower. I'm going to bed, because tomorrow I need to be out of my hotel by 10, around 10 a.m. Go somewhere, then I need to be back by 1, and then leave again, go somewhere else around 3. I'll be picked around 3 to go visit somewhere else. So I need to sleep. So just allow me to end this video here, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for those who subscribed. Thank you so much for those who recently joined this family. If you like this particular video, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do. And until next time, good people, thank you so much and pieces.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're.